Genesis of chemistry, a complete solution for research and development.
How aware are you of heavy metals and radioactivity, their sources, their impact on human health and the environment? Indeed, these are two distinct but interconnected phenomena that can significantly affect our world and our well-being. Heavy metals are chemical elements with high atomic weights. Think of lead, mercury, cadmium, and arsenic. They're toxic at specific concentrations. You can find them occurring naturally in the environment, but they're also common byproducts of industrial activities, mining, and agriculture. On the other hand, radioactivity is the emission of ionizing radiation. This happens when the atomic nucleus undergoes spontaneous decay, releasing alpha, beta, or gamma particles. Radioactivity can be natural, like radon gas, or it can result from human activities such as nuclear power generation or weapons testing. Now, why should we be concerned about heavy metals and radioactive materials? They pose significant risks to human health. Heavy metals accumulate in the body over time, leading to various health issues. These can range from organ damage and neurological disorders to cancer. For example, lead exposure in children has links to developmental delays and cognitive impairments. Mercury, on the other hand, can lead to kidney and nervous system damage. Radioactive materials are no less dangerous. They can cause genetic mutations, radiation sickness, and an increased risk of cancer. The health effects of radiation exposure depend on factors such as the dose and duration of exposure and the type of radioactive material involved. The sources of heavy metals and radioactivity in the environment are diverse and complex. Heavy metals can enter the environment through natural processes like weathering and erosion of rocks. They also stem from human activities like mining, industrial discharge, and using fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture. Radioactivity is mainly associated with human activities such as producing and using nuclear materials, accidents at nuclear facilities, and improper disposal of radioactive waste. Some natural sources like uranium and radon gas also contribute to overall environmental radioactivity levels. So, how do we manage these threats? Numerous legal frameworks and regulations have been established to monitor and limit the release of heavy metals and radioactive materials into the environment. International bodies such as the International Atomic Energy Agency and the World Health Organization provide guidelines and recommendations regarding safe levels of exposure and best practices for handling radioactive materials. Also, the development of techniques for the remediation of heavy metal and radioactive waste is essential for minimizing their adverse environmental impacts. In sum, heavy metals and radioactivity are two interrelated phenomena that pose significant risks to human health and the environment. They come from various sources, both natural and human-made. Their effects on health are severe, and therefore, managing them effectively is critical to human safety and environmental sustainability.
The credit for this video goes to Genesis of Chemistry, one of the best research consulting organization. For our services and offer, please visit our website. For more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel, and join us on Facebook. Thanks.